Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Mittal. I'm a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. I'm going to present my another task, which is prediction using decision tree algorithm. So in this task, we have to create the decision tree classifier and visualize it graphically. So the purpose of this task is if we feed any new data to this classifier, it would be able to predict the right class accordingly. So let first know about what is decision tree. So decision tree is a supervised learning technique. Decision tree classifier is a tree structure classifier which internal nodes represent the features of dataset, branches represent the decision rules, and each leaf node represent the outcome. And in a decision tree, there are two nodes, which are the decision node and leaf node. Decision nodes are used to make any decision and have multiple branches, whereas leaf nodes are the output of those decisions and do not contain any further branches. So let's move to the coding part. So here I've imported the important libraries and also I've loaded the data from the sklearn datasets, which is the iris dataset. So if we go further, here we can see the data. We have four features: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. And if we see the our target, which is species, so here we have numerical values 0, 1, and 2 for our classes. So now let's convert it into the categorical so that we can visualize it clearly. So I have converted it here in the classes Setosa, Versicolor, and Virginica. If we more if we go more into the deep, then we can see that there are no null values here. So it means our data is clean and our data is also balanced as we have 50 50 data points for each classes. So it means our data set is balanced also. Now let's plot the graph. So here we can see this is a 2D scatter plot and it's a pair plot between the features. And let's see the observations. What are the observations we can see? So the first observation, the diagonal plot, which showcases the histogram, allows us to see the probability density function, or we can also say the probability distribution of single variable. Here it is like this. And the next observation is magenta points can be easily separated from blue and green by drawing a line. So in all the graphs we can see clearly that the magenta one, or we can say the setosa, is clearly separable, and the blue, it means the virginica and the versicolor, are not that easy to separate, or we cannot distinguish between them. Okay. So now let's move further. Here I've made a model which is a decision tree classifier. Before that, I have splitted the data into two parts, which is the one is training and testing. As this is a supervised learning, so I've splitted the data. And in the model, I've used two different criterion. The one is Gini and the other one is entropy. So uh, for the Gini, I've got 100% accuracy for the training data and 100% accuracy for the testing data. And if I go for the entropy criterion, I got 100% accuracy for the training data, but I got 97.37% accuracy for the testing data. So we have trained our model and got yeah, good accuracy, but something is missing, I guess, and which is the tree. So for visualizing the tree, I have installed the Pi.plus module and also imported it, and also I have imported the export graphics module and string IO module. So here we can see our graphs, our trees. So this one is for the Gini criterion, and yeah, and this one is for entropy criterion. Sorry. So these are almost similar. Yeah, these are almost similar, but there's a little bit difference. So yeah, finally we can see that we can easily uh, classify our data with the help of these trees. So yeah, thank you.